Welcome back, my beautiful people of the internet. I hope you are having a wonderful day. It is really good to see you. It seems that our Galaxy Watch 5 leaks way back was maybe a bit too early to implement, but here's the but. The principle and the idea behind it really has translated into the upcoming Galaxy Watch 5. And at this point, Samsung and other smartwatch maker really have to come up with something extraordinary, even better than the Galaxy Watch 4. Look at those numbers. The global market share and growth for wearables is exploding year on year, much higher than any smartphone. No wonder Samsung has done this. And hang on. You have been here before. I believe I've seen you. Yes, you here before. And you know what? It's kind of blurry when you sit from this side and you look into where you are. But we can fix this by you considering hitting this subscribe button, and I can then see you clearly. Thank you. Amongst other things, Samsung has increased the battery life for the upcoming Galaxy Watch 5, and that's probably one of the biggest complaints users have for the current version, the Galaxy Watch 4, right? And it's happening. It has been fired already. Look at the pictures right now here. This is supposed to be for the Galaxy Watch 5 40 mil. The battery is now slightly bigger than before, 247 going up to 276. Not the biggest jump, but it is an indication that we will see a bigger battery capacity for the entire Galaxy Watch 5 lineup. Essentially good news, right? And then there's this magical talk about the new sensor, because the temperature detected on your skin via the Galaxy Watch 5 is really affected by any external environment. Maybe you are exercising or direct sunlight, or you are basically based in a hot climate. You get what I'm saying. Samsung came up with a technology that will measure your temperature really very accurate on your wrist via your smartwatch, via the upcoming Galaxy Watch 5. At first, I wasn't really sure if this is kind of a big feature, but if this current cool environment continues, then this could really help in everyday situations. It could be an easy way to detect if you have a fever or something underlying is going on, but it could also help you in a normal way of life. If you go to shops or you go to a mall, some countries still require for temperature to be measured before you come in, and this way you kind of have proof on your wrist, right? And the same idea is being tested for the Galaxy Buds, believe it or not. And here Samsung is using a technology to measure your body temperature by detecting infrared wavelength emitted from the eardrum to the Galaxy Buds. As of today, it is scheduled to be released in August this year, August 2022. This is for the Galaxy Watch 5, Galaxy Buds, Flip, Fold, you know what I'm saying. Now, with the current events going on, we never know. As of today, it is scheduled for August 2022. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Peace out.